The economics of home ownership are changing. Some buyers may not see their home value double or triple as prices continue to climb. Realtor.com chief economist Danielle Hale joins us now. Danielle, owning a home was always part of the American dream, but it seems like the kids today sort of feel that that's not the best investment because prices are so high right now. The return won't be so great in the long run. I'm wondering if you feel like young people are letting go of that dream, but willingly to a degree.
It's interesting. We recently conducted a survey asking young people and older generations how they feel about the housing market. And the younger generations were actually much more optimistic than older generations about home ownership, about their desire to buy a home, about whether now is a good time to buy, and about how achievable that dream will be for themselves over the next 1 to 5 years. So I do think it has been a challenging market for many young people, but they are retaining a surprising sense of optimism despite the challenges.
Some of the lack of optimism for other generations, though, was looking at the Mortgage Bankers Association coming out and saying that mortgage rates are back above 7% this morning. Is relief coming anytime soon?
Yeah, so we have had a bit of relief in the mortgage market from late October all the way through mid-January. Since that time, since we got the latest inflation report, that showed that inflation ticked up much higher than expected in January, and we've seen mortgage rates give back some of the gains that they had made over the previous couple months. So mortgage rates are back up around 7% now. People are going to feel that when they're shopping for a home, and so for home shoppers or anyone thinking about buying a home, it's important to take a look at mortgage rates, see how these higher mortgage rates are affecting your bottom line, because every little bit does impact what you can afford in the housing market.
But Danielle, let me ask you this. At some point, do we just have to say, you know what, the era of 3% is done, and it's not coming back anytime soon, and 6% might seem bad compared to that era, but it's not really historically. Do we just need to get over that and buy homes at these rates?
I think that is the reality for a lot of shoppers. And in the survey that I mentioned earlier, the Realtor.com survey showed that 18% of people are in the market, say 7% is no problem. Among millennials, interestingly, nearly half said that 8% mortgage rates are not a problem. So some people are approaching the market with a sense of realism, but certainly 8% is going to be challenging, but they're still ready to move forward with that next step.
That's aggressive, 8%, and we'll go with it. All right, Danielle, we'll continue to watch things and have you back on the program. Thank you so much.